Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Walgreens and we're here to do some deals of the week for the 29th through the 4th of February. And I woke up this morning and it was 7 below zero actual temp. And that's pretty cold for Michigan. Holy cow. But the deals inside of Walgreens make up for that because it's so hot. It's so smoking, fire, all those cool buzzwords that let you know that this is the week to go to Walgreens. It really, really is. So I did a best deals of the week video last week talking about this week, and it was kind of hard to speculate what the deals would be because we do have a new month starting, or it did start on Sunday, and sometimes it can be a little shaky this first week, but oh my gosh. So we have all of those boosters that are stacking. We have a digital booster that you may have gotten. And then there is the spend 25, get back 7 on personal care. There's a spend 30, get back $10 on like pain and cold relief. Then there is some weird random one that we got at the end of last week that expires today. And then if you have any paper boosters, there's those. But there's also a P&G deal that popped up for the month of February where you spend $15, you will get back a you'll get back $5 in register rewards, or just like a coupon basically. So I will be doing 2 transactions today. One transaction, I will just be using all of my boosters that I have. I have a spend 50, get back $10 in Walgreens cash, plus the personal booster and the extra booster and a paper booster. Whew. Then on my other account, I will be doing pretty much the same thing. But on that account, I have a spend 20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. Then I have the personal booster and the extra booster there as well. I will not be using a paper booster though. Instead, I will be building up my transaction up to $25. And then I will be using my coupons as cash to pay. So I can use Walgreens cash to pay, and then I can get back my Walgreens cash from all of my boosters. So there is a lot of information in this video this week, so buckle up. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah, and I'd like to show you how to save money any way that I can. There is a Google Doc linked down below in the description box to help you plan your trip or to help you out in the store. But anyways, guys, let's go inside and see what we can do. So the first thing we're going to do is a transaction where we are going to be spending $50, get back $10 in Walgreens cash, but we are also going to be going for items that we can do the spend 25, get 7 in personal care, and then the extra booster that we got last week. So the first transaction, we are going to be getting the Gillette Labs. The Gillette Labs are on a really nice promotion for the whole month, along with King C Gillette, where you spend $25, you will get back a $10 register reward. But we are going to be grabbing this razor here. My store, they're actually priced at $16.99, which I'm really glad that they went down in price. And then we're going to go and grab 2 of the Gillette Labs shaving cream, priced at $7.99 a piece. We're going to grab 2 of them. So the 3 products together will equal out to $32.97. We actually have a $10 off of 2 digital coupon that is attaching to these, but it's not for Gillette Labs shave cream. It's actually a 10 off of 2 Oral-B power heads that is attaching to these. We also have a $5 digital coupon that will come off of the razor. That'll bring your total down to $17.97. You will get back a $10 register reward. And then you'll also get back a $5 register reward for spending $15 in select P&G products. And if you have the spend 25, get back $7 in Walgreens cash for personal care items, you'll also get back another $7 in Walgreens cash, making all 3 free and a $4.03 moneymaker. So next we're going to grab the Olay Body Wash. The Olay Body Wash is on sale for $7, and they're buy 3, get back a $5 register reward. So picking up 3 of these will equal out to $21. We have a 5 off 3 digital coupon. You'll pay $16. You will get back a $5 register reward for it being the deal of the week. You'll also get back that $5 register reward for the P&G promotion. That's $5 for spending $15 worth. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get back $5 for the 3 of them, making all 3 of them just $1 or 33 cents a piece. I, of course, am doing it with the Gillette, so I'm only going to be getting back one $5 register reward. But if you want to do Olay as a curbside pickup, it's a really good deal. So if you want to do the Olay by itself, just do it as a curbside pickup this week. So go into the app and pick out 3 of the Olay body wash that you want. Scroll down below one of those body washes and you'll see additional perks. It'll say buy 3 select personal care, earn $5 W cash rewards. So for 3 of them, instead of getting a $5 register reward, you're going to get back $5 in Walgreens cash. But you'll also get back $5 in Walgreens cash for the P&G promotion instead of that $5 register reward. You, of course, can use your $5 off of 3 digital coupon and then go inside to pick up your curbside order. You'll get a physical receipt and then you can still submit it to Ibotta and get back $5. And they still will all 3 be just $1, which is amazing. So this is everything that I am getting in my first transaction. I will be using a paper booster that is spend $40, get back $9 in a Walgreens cash. I will also be throwing in a couple register rewards to help lower my out-of-pocket. Now, if you're going for the P&G rebates, you can use your receipt towards the P&G rebate where you spend $50, get back a $15 Visa card. These Gillette items here do qualify for that. So now I'm going to do another transaction on a different account, and I'm going to be doing the spend $25, get back $7 in Walgreens cash, personal care promotion. So oddly enough, the Pedialyte is included in that. And how you can see that it is if you go to the web browser and type in Pedialyte, just scroll to one that is included in the promotion this week. And the strawberry one is included of the deals of the week. Scroll down and it'll say additional perks, spend $25 in beauty and personal care, earn $7. So when you click on the view participating products, it will bring up all of the other items that are included in the promotion as well. So we're going to go ahead and grab these. These are 2 for $10. When you buy 3 of them, you will get back a $5 register reward. So picking up 3 of these, each one of these will ring up at $5, so they'll be $15. We have a $2 digital coupon. I am unaware of any other coupons out there for Pedialyte, so then you'll pay $13. You will get back that $5 register reward, making all 3 of them $8, but it will be much better than that with all of our boosters that we are using. So then we're going to go over to the skincare aisle. We're going to grab some of the L'Oreal facial cream. They're buy one get one 50% off. Spend $20. Get back $5 in register rewards. So we're going to grab the collagen cream here. They're $13.49 for one and $6.74 for the other one. That equals out to $20.23. We have a 12 off of 2 digital coupon. That'll bring our total down to $8.23. But then we're going to get back that $5 register reward. We're also going to submit our receipt to Ibotta, and we're going to get back $2 for each one of them, making them free and a 77-cent moneymaker. And I really like this stuff, so I'm going to pick it up, and then we're going to grab one more thing. We're going to grab some of the Advil. The Advil is buy 2, get back a $5 register reward, and they're on sale for $9.99. So picking up 2 of these, it'll equal out to $19.98. I'm not going to be going for the spend $30, get back $10 in Walgreens cash booster on pain and cough, flu items. I'm just throwing this in with my transaction. So the 2 of them equals out to $19.98. I have a 6 off of 2 digital coupon, so then that will bring my total down to $13.98. I will get back a $5 register reward, making them $8.98 for both of them, or $4.49 a piece, and I think that's a pretty good deal, and our money makers will help pay for that. Just make sure you grab the ones that are priced at $9.99. No other prices are included in that deal. So the Pedialyte, the Advil, and the L'Oreal are everything in my second transaction. We are using our coupons as our cash for our spend amount so that we can use Walgreens cash to pay. So that is everything that I have for you today in store. So let's go check out and let's go out to the vehicle and take a look at the receipts and see how everything went. All right, guys, we're back in from Walgreens, and there was a couple of hiccups that went on in there, but everything got worked out. But for the most part, everything went really smooth. So I was really happy with that. Considering all the things and moving parts that they've got going on this week, I'm actually pretty pleased with how things went down. Pretty pleased, not 100% pleased. So the first transaction we will go over, I did the Gillette and the Olay, and I didn't build this transaction up. I probably could have, but I wanted to use the paper booster and not use contactless method of payment. Now the issue with this transaction is that my paper booster, it beeped and it said like invalid or whatever. And so what they did is they ended up just crediting me the $9 in Walgreens cash. And then they just took the booster because there was really nothing wrong with it. So here's my receipt. And so those two manufacturer coupons that are listed first are my register rewards. And then I had two digital coupons come off totally fine. And now I see that my one digital coupon did not come off. So I will have to contact Walgreens about that one, which I have no problem doing. It takes just a few minutes to do the chat option and they'll credit me the $5. So then I got back $33.53 in Walgreens cash. So here's the breakdown of the Walgreens cash I got back. So I got $7 for the personal care booster. I got $7 back for that extra booster we got last week. I got back $10 in Walgreens cash for the digital booster that I got this week. And then $9 in Walgreens cash for that paper booster that was acting funky. Then I got back $20 in register rewards. Now that $10 register reward did print for my Gillette products, but I wanted to use that on my next transaction, and you will see that on my other receipt. Then I got back a $5 store register reward for the Olay, and then I got back the $5 P&G register reward as well. So I got back the $10 for the Olay. I just didn't get the $5 digital coupon for whatever reason. Then I got back $5 on Ibotta for the Olay body wash. So let's do the breakdown of this again really quick. So we had $53.97 in products. Then we used $20 in coupons. So then that brought our total down to $33.97. We got back $33.56 in Walgreens cash. We got back $20 worth of register rewards and $5 on Ibotta, making everything free and a $24.56 moneymaker. That is absolutely insane. Just crazy. Just absolutely crazy. I just can't believe that. So then I did another transaction. So for my next transaction, this was the one that had quite a few problems. It still worked out in the end. It really did. But definitely it's just something to keep an eye on for. And then you can also learn from what happened with me. So what I did with this transaction is I built it up to where my coupons would count as the cash and count towards the spend portion. So the one problem with this transaction is that two of my Pedialytes rung up as $5. Then the Pedialyte Zero did not ring up for $5. So with Walgreens, if something is 2 for $10 or like $7.49 for one item, if you buy two of them and any quantity after the two, it'll be $5. So this one down here should have rung up for $5 also, but it did not. So then they had to adjust that. And then here is my receipt. There is the $10 register reward, the manufacturer coupon that come from the Gillette. Now with that register reward, when they rung it up, it said that it was invalid. And I'm like, oh, I really need that $10 register reward to work. So The other coupons that were used were digital coupons, the $12 for the L'Oreal, the $6 for the Advil, and the $2 for the Pedialyte. So then that brought my total to $35.21. So that brought my total down to $27.20. I used $20 in Walgreens cash to pay. So I only had to pay $7.20 out of my own pocket. Then I got back $19.37 in Walgreens cash, $5 for my regular spend booster, that was digital, $7 for the personal digital, and then $7 for that extra digital that we got last week. Then I should have gotten back $10 in register rewards, which I did not. So then I should have gotten back $15 in register rewards, but I only got back $5. I didn't get back a $5 register reward for the L'Oreal or for the Pedialyte. Now, I've probably figured out why with the Pedialyte. What probably happened is this zero sugar one is probably just not coded for it. But I did get back a $5 register reward for the Advil. And then they did issue me $10 in Walgreens cash for those two not printing. So this transaction was riddled with things that happened, but the store easily fixed them for me. Now, I know some stores do not fix register or credit you for register rewards not printing. I understand that. But I really don't know why the L'Oreal one didn't print, and that's my guess on the Pedialyte. Then I got back $4 on Ibotta for the L'Oreal, making everything in that transaction free and a $3.16 moneymaker. And I will definitely take Pedialyte and Advil for free. Absolutely for free. I also got back another booster for next week, if you can see that. And then I did get a $3 Advil coupon, which is nice. So that is everything. So my total is pretty freaking big. And what I'm going to do is if I've messed up my math, I'm just going to put up a little screenshot at the very end of the video showing the absolutely correct math, because I've had to correct it a few times sitting in here, and I just want to double check that I have it right for you guys. My total for everything was free and a $27.72 moneymaker. That is insane for what I got this week. Absolutely insane. Anyways, guys, I think that's it. So if you have any questions, please leave them down below. I will answer them. So what we can do now on YouTube as YouTubers is we can answer your questions as a video comment, and it'll be like a YouTube short. So if you have any questions about like a transaction, that's the Gillette one and the Olay, and doing it as a store pickup, I can absolutely respond that way and talk to you that way. And it might be a little bit easier to understand. So definitely, if you have questions, leave them down below and I will respond to you that way. So anyways, guys, that is all I have for you today. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a great day. Stay warm out there, guys, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys. But anyways, guys, let's go inside and see what we can... Oh, no, we didn't. We didn't even talk about the Google Doc. I still did the freaking math wrong. I'll just do this. It's 1456. Because I still... No, it's not. No, it's not. Ugh. Now with Walgreens, if you have something that's 2 for $10 or one is $6.99, once you hit to the $2, man,